Oh, BootDaddy.
I don't know how you can ever follow this. This is tremendous. This
With
is
a
really
big
tremendous.
special on a 45-year.
45th year. That's what we should say. Exactly. But you know, since leading into me, that Larry, like that, as we're very, very, very particular who we bring in as brands into our store.
Yep.
Especially 45 years, we're really particular who we partner with on our BootDaddy products. And Prasad, the owner of TWX, we've worked with him lately for the last couple of years, and so we've created a cool spot for them to be in our store, and they're going to be a big part, especially in our BootDaddy brand. Paul, you want to talk about some boots?
Yeah, when you get into casuals, you know, the word Twisted X is kind of in Western stores across the country, and not just Western stores, but in mainstream stores across the country because of their comfort packages and their initiatives and what they're doing. Hey, it doesn't make your dogs bark, I'm going to tell you. The first two I've got are two ladies' shoes that are right here, and they're gorgeous. This is a cheetah print that's got a metallic finish on it, and then this little turquoise and brown. Super comfortable, removable orthotics, just all the bells and whistles, super lightweight and fun. The next package that I want to go into is called their CellStretch, which is a proprietary technology that they have with a new system. And you see on the bottom of this, if you can get a close-up there with the camera, there's little gel balls that are in here that fit into an EVA foam insole. So they move around on your foot, which creates much more, it doesn't get a memory to your foot. It's always moving and adjusting to where your foot, your heel strike to your forefront. A lot of technology in these shoes.
I have shoes like that move around all the time.
Yeah. Yeah. And then last but not least, they won a sustainability award from Footwear Plus, one of the largest footwear magazines in the world, that they have removed 13 million water bottles, plastic water bottles from the ocean and created fibers that they're starting to make materials out of and turning it into shoes. And this just happens to be one of them. I have a whole collection at BootDaddy.com that you can check out. And for every one of these sold, they plant a tree. So it's eco-friendly. It's called TWX. That's their take on this, on the Eco TWX, Twisted X. But you can find them at BootDaddy.com. We have several styles there that you can see. Plus, we can order anything that they have in stock all the time. So it's a great initiative and a company for our industry, being agriculture related, taken from the land, give back to the land, you know.
Especially, you know, Larry, with planting the trees.
Yeah.
And cleaning up the oceans and doing their part way beyond what
it's kind of
any
it's
other
really
companies
cool.
have done.
Really cool.
It's really got you more interested in not only a great product, but they're good people and doing the right things.
Yeah.
But
Good
anyway,
people, good things.
Colin.
Absolutely. And, you know, like Paul says, you can get these on BootDaddy.com, but you can also come into the store, you can ring the bell, you can get the barbecue sauce, you can purchase these, and you can get a hoodie for, you spend $50 in the store, you can get a hoodie for $10, which is the best deal in the world. You go anywhere. I went all over the place, and hoodies, $49, $50. $10 right here. It can't be. Tell you what. Anyway.
That's why we sell 50,000 plus.
We don't know how to price things yet. We're just
No, we
giving
don't
away.
know.
It's 45 years. We can do it. You know.
So
Fun.
Plus, Colin,
Also, this is what we really want to. We really love the veterans. We honor the veterans. We see the people coming in. They wear their hats. You know, aircraft carrier. They've been, you know, Korean War, Vietnam. Always say, hey, thank you for your service. So we want to honor them and give a 10% discount on any items. Your total bill up at the front there. It could be a sale item, anything in the store there.
you know, we see a lot, especially the Larry's Country Diner fans, our veterans. And they come through, and so I said, you know, we're going to do this for our 45th year until the end of the year and see how it works, and hopefully we can continue it. But,
You got a lot of them on the way to Branson.
and we got a
Yes,
lot
sir.
of them on the way to Branson, and they keep on coming. And we're doing something else special that's coming next month.
Next month?
Next month. Next show.
This is
I'll
Next
wait.
Or whatever. Thanks so
Thank
much,
you, Larry.
Larry.